I bet you don't know you can also enjoy your Zobo aside the regular Zobo drink. In this video, I will share with you how to make the Zobo ice cream using ingredients you might already have in your kitchen. By the way, this is creamy, it can be addicting. I'm sorry, it is just so good. First thing you need to do is get your Zobo leaves. Now what you need to do is wash that to remove all the dust and stones, then soak it with some water. You want to get the Zobo concentrate here. After that, set it aside for it to soak and release all the flavor and juice. Now once we have our Zobo concentrate, you can set that aside. In another bowl, but measure 2 cups of chilled whipping cream. Using your Buchymix whisk, or let me say food processor, the whisk attachment, whisk this until you get soft peaks. You should know it is done when you get soft peaks. And don't forget to use chilled whipping cream, if not you won't get soft peaks at all. Once you get soft peaks, meaning it is thicker as you can see in consistency, now go in with half cup of full cream milk and 3/4 cups of condensed milk. You can do 1 cup of condensed milk if you're a sweet tooth, but I don't really like my ice cream too sweet. This is just perfect for me. After that, go in with your Zobo concentrate. I use about half cup, but I didn't really like the color and the Zobo flavor wasn't given, so I added more eventually. Mix thoroughly to combine. After that, you're going to transfer this to a plastic container that have a lid or something like that. Chill in the freezer for about 6 to 7 hours and your Zobo ice cream is ready. You can serve this however you want, on a cone, in a cup, literally anyhow you want. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like this video, comment, share. Also follow me on my other social media pages on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, all Chef Amos, and I cannot wait to share more recipes with you. Thank you so much for sticking by and subscribing to my channel. I love you all. Bye.